Today we are going to be opening and testing this absolutely mammoth-sized A1 cutting mat. So let's get into it. So guys, just look at the size of this thing. These are my hands for comparison. This thing is absolutely biblically large and just what I needed for my desk. So the dimensions we have here, guys, are 90 by 60 centimeters, or that's 36 by 24 inches. So let's quickly verify these dimensions, guys. I know my desk is 24 inches and it looks like the mat is the perfect size. And this mat also claims to be self-healing, so we're going to put that to the test. And as you can see, guys, I've got this lovely blue color, but there's a number of different color options available. It also comes with these 3 ruled lines at 30, 45 and 60 degrees for measuring things when you're cutting. Oh, and guys, by the way, you would not believe the box that this thing came in. It was actually so monstrously large that I couldn't believe it when it rocked up at my door. Take a look at this picture. That's right, this Amazon box was an absolute mammoth. I was very surprised that they weren't able to roll it or fold it, but I can see why. This thing is very stiff and rigid indeed. Now guys, just because you never know with these online purchases, I would like to verify the measurements. So we're going to bust out the Stanley and go in for a closer look. So we are proper zoomed in now, guys. Let's take a look with the Stanley and see how things line up. That looks real good to me. And now for the part you've all been waiting for, guys, the cutting test. So I've got Manny the Mammoth here and we're going to cut him out to see how we go. But just before we do, make sure you've liked the video, guys, and subscribe, just like Manny says. So guys, we've cut our way through Manny the Mammoth. He's out of his paper, but let's take a look at the damage on the board and see how self-healing this mat really is. Let's zoom in for a closer look and I'm going to point out what we see. Now guys, this is the part I want you to focus on, because I know we can see some lines from the cutting activity here, but look at this intersection. The ruled white lines, which I believe are painted on, do not appear to have any damage or chipping, which is a really positive sign to see. So let me know in the comments, guys, what do you think about this cutting mat's self-healing capabilities? So guys, overall, I'm really impressed with the quality of this hefty cutting mat. If you'd like to get your hands on one, I'll leave a link for you in the description below. And guys, because a lot of people always ask me about this folding utility knife, I'm leaving you with a full review video here and a short review video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.